Hello, my Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. Welcome back to J Vlogs. I'm trying not to make this as shaky as possible, but I just made a video and I had it in vertical mode. I have it in horizontal because it might show better on YouTube that way. I'm really tired and I know I need to make videos. I haven't made videos for the past probably 4 days. I'm just tired. I'm not tired of YouTube. I love YouTube. I'm tired because I'm working. I'm tired, and then I have bad habits of not going to bed early, so that kind of add to it. And then I have tennis, and then I have so much other more stuff to do. So I'm trying to get them done. I'm trying to do what I'm trying to do what I can do and still keep my channel going because I love YouTube. I love making videos on YouTube. I love giving advice. I love just sharing my stories on YouTube, even though I kind of do that indirectly with most of the topics that I talk about. Most of the topics, sometimes they're about me, sometimes they're about certain experiences that I have, and so on so. But this one in particular is just that I'm really frustrated, and I'm just, I just want to get past it. I mean, I don't really have. My friends are busy. You can't always have your friends. Them people are busy. People doing what they're supposed to do. People have their own life, and they have to live. They have their partner there, whoever they have, family, kids. They have things to do. So I do understand that when you don't have anybody to talk to, are you looking for, all right, I need to talk to my brother John about this. I need to talk to my brother Minto about this. I need to talk to that girl. You have different areas, different segment, but I won't get into all of that. But one of my issues that people with egos, who are egotistical, a lot of them with their big ego think that because of your position or even the color of your skin or whatever it is, your economical background, they feel like that you can talk to them, you can give them advice, you can tell them, what is right, or even teach them per se, to do what is supposed to be done in whatever environment it is, whether it be, school, whether it be work, whether it be, on a football team, on a tennis team, whatever it is, whatever situation that you're in. A lot of people, have the big ego. They don't want to listen, and they don't want to take telling. They don't want to hear what you have to say, and that is very irritating to me. But my question is, what do you do when you find yourself in a situation where you're talking to somebody about the right thing? Are you trying to help them? Are you trying to teach them, and they don't want to take the telling? They don't want to listen. They don't want to take your advice. What do you normally do? I want you to share that in the comment below, and I'm going to give my 2 cents on it and what I think I should do. From I know myself, I always observe people and observe what they're like and how they treat other people, and then that's how I deal with you. So if you're a really nice person and you treat people good, then I'm going to deal with you. If not, then I won't deal with you at all. I won't be laughing or giggling or smiling with you because I'm not drawn to you or like your attitude towards other people. No, I'm in a situation where I have to deal with these people, and I can't pretend like everything is cool. But I'm saying that, I have to be professional. I have to, I have to work with these people. I have to deal with them. But the thing is, how am I going to work around the issue that I have? How am I going to do it? And I'm saying to myself, all right, Mark, this is what you need to do. Be more reserved. When they're talking to you and stuff, don't add to it. Don't take off. Don't suggest anything. Don't Just be reserved. Just like be a turtle and just go in your shell. Be that black boy and go in your corner. So that's what I'm thinking to myself, and I just wanted to hear your opinion. You know, and it's simple. What would you do if you're talking to somebody and they have this big ego and they don't want to listen to you? What do you do? Give it in the comments below. Let me know, your view on it and what you would do, and tell me, give me some advice. And I'm asking for the advice pretty much. So I'm going to try that. I'm just good. That always work for me when I be reserved and just, talk less and be by myself. I think that work out better for me. I think I'm always better by myself. And that might, sound weird, but that's just how life is. I'm better off by myself. You know. But thanks for watching J Vlogs. Please do comment below. Give me the advice. I need to hear them. I need you guys to reason with me and talk to me. It's very important. I need different viewpoint. I don't have this mentality where people can't talk to me and give me advice. I've lived on advice. I've lived on people, regardless of whoever you are, talking to me and sharing stuff with me and say, hey Mark, what you think about that, or hey Mark, what? You see what I'm saying? So that's how I live my life. Every word is important to me. Everything matter to me. So share that with me in the comment below, and yeah, you might help. You might help me to feel better. So thanks again for watching J Plugs. I'm out.